Hi, everyone. Welcome to Ceylon's Smart Finance. Today, I'm excited to share with you the story of a phenomenal Chinese social e-commerce platform, ZHONGU, also known as Red. We'll explore its growth journey, how you as a creator can monetize on this platform, and why the home and parenting sectors offer tremendous potential for revenue. Plus, I'll walk you through the recent strategic shifts that ZHONGU has made, particularly in supporting video and live stream content. And for those of you living outside of China, I'll also share how you can register and use the app abroad. So let's get started with the origins and development of ZHONGU. ZHONGU was founded in 2013 during a time when China's demand for cross-border shopping was skyrocketing. Many Chinese consumers wanted to purchase high-quality overseas goods, but faced obstacles like language barriers, complex logistics, and a lack of reliable product information. ZHONGU started as a solution to these challenges, offering a community where users could share their shopping tips and experiences. As user needs evolved, ZHONGU transformed from a shopping guide platform into a user-generated content (UGC) lifestyle community. Now, users don't just share shopping tips. They discuss topics ranging from beauty and fashion to travel and home decor. Essentially, ZHONGU has shifted from a platform for discovering new products to a comprehensive lifestyle sharing and social e-commerce community. 2013, ZHONGU was founded in Shanghai as a platform for cross-border shopping tips, helping users navigate the complexities of buying international products. 2014, the platform introduced community features, allowing users to share experiences through photos, text, and short videos. 2015, ZHONGU launched its self-operated e-commerce platform called Red Mall, blending content with commerce, allowing users to buy products directly based on recommendations. 2018, major investments from Tencent and Alibaba helped ZHONGU surpass 100 million users, solidifying its place as China's leading lifestyle sharing platform. 2019, the platform faced regulatory challenges and briefly went offline but quickly returned with enhanced content review processes, ensuring compliance and authenticity. 2020 and beyond, ZHONGU has since expanded into beauty, fashion, travel, home decor, and parenting, becoming an essential platform for China's young consumers. As of 2023, ZHONGU boasts 80 million daily active users, DAUs, and over 300 million monthly active users, MUs. While the platform's core demographic is young women, an increasing number of men and users in the parenting and home decor sectors are joining. ZHONGU has become a trusted decision-making platform, particularly in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle sectors. To keep up with changing market trends, ZHONGU has made strategic adjustments, notably increasing support for short video and live stream content. There are a few reasons behind this move. Business strategy shift. User preferences have shifted from reading posts to watching videos. Short videos have become the dominant form of content consumption, and ZHONGU recognizes that videos provide a more immersive product recommendation and lifestyle experience. Additionally, live streaming has emerged as a highly effective e-commerce tool in China, offering higher conversion rates. Competing with Douyin and Kuaishou. To compete with the giants like Douyin, TikTok, and Kuaishou, which dominate China's short video and live stream markets, ZHONGU is enhancing its own video capabilities. The platform aims to provide a more niche and higher quality experience compared to these rivals, keeping its users engaged. Boosting monetization for creators. By investing in video and live stream content, ZHONGU is giving creators more ways to monetize. Live streaming has proven to be one of the most effective methods for driving sales, and creators can use this feature to connect with their followers, showcase products, and offer limited-time deals that boost sales. Now, let's dive into how creators like you can make money on ZHONGU, with a special focus on the home and parenting sectors, which are particularly lucrative. Brand collaborations. KOL and KOC marketing. Whether you're a key opinion leader, KOL, with a large following, or a key opinion consumer, KOC, with a smaller but loyal audience, you can partner with brands for paid collaborations. KOLs typically do product reviews or sponsor content, while KOCs are valued for their authentic experiences, which often lead to higher conversion rates. Affiliate marketing. Earning commissions. You can also earn commissions by driving sales through product recommendations. ZHONGSHU's Red Mall and third-party e-commerce links make it easy for creators to share products and earn commissions. In the home and parenting sectors, products tend to be high-ticket items, making this a particularly lucrative opportunity. Running your own store. If you have your own products, you can set up a store on Xiaohongshu and sell directly to your audience. This is especially valuable if you have expertise in product design or sourcing, as you can build a loyal customer base while earning revenue. Paid content. Some creators offer premium content behind a paywall, like parenting tips, home design guides, or exclusive tutorials. If you provide valuable, niche knowledge, your audience will be willing to pay for it. Now, let's dive deeper into ZHONGSHU's Pagonging platform, which is the official creator monetization platform on ZHONGSHU. It helps creators connect with brands and earn income through sponsored content. Here's a breakdown of how monetization works. 1. Follower requirements. On ZHONGSHU's Pagonging platform, creators need to meet certain follower thresholds before they can start monetizing. Typically, creators need at least 1,000 followers to begin receiving brand partnerships. 1,000 followers. This is the basic entry point. Once creators hit 1,000 followers, they can start receiving smaller brand collaborations, promoting products, and earning some income. 5,000 followers. At this level, creators have more chances to collaborate with mid-sized brands, especially in beauty and fashion sectors, where there are significant collaboration opportunities. 10,000 followers or more. High-tier creators. At this point, creators can work with larger brands and have the potential to earn substantial advertising revenue. 2. Price per sponsored post. The earnings for each sponsored post vary depending on the creator's influence, follower count, and content quality. The general price range is as follows. Beginner creators, 1,000 to 5,000 followers. The price for each sponsored post typically ranges between 500 and 2,000 renminbi, around $70 to $300, depending on the brand's budget and promotional needs. Intermediate creators, 5,000 to 10,000 followers. As the follower count grows, post prices can rise to between 2,000 and 5,000 renminbi, around $300 to $700 per post. Advanced creators, 10,000 plus followers. For creators with more than 10,000 followers, each sponsored post can be worth 5,000 renminbi or more. In some cases, well-known creators can earn over 10,000 renminbi, around $1,400 per post. In addition to these rates, creators can also earn extra income through commission-based systems. When users click on links in their posts and purchase products, creators receive a percentage of the sales. 3. Earning money by joining MCNs, multi-channel networks. Besides using the Pagonging platform to collaborate with brands, creators can also choose to join MCNs, multi-channel networks. MCNs are companies that provide creators with resources, brand connections, and content optimization support. They often have strong relationships with brands, helping creators secure more collaborations and higher earnings. By joining an MCN, creators not only gain a more stable income but also access professional teams to assist with content strategy and promotion. Benefits of joining an MCN. Increased opportunities for brand partnerships. MCNs regularly connect creators with brand collaboration projects, offering them more chances to work with various brands. MCN-backed projects often involve larger budgets and more reputable brands. Content optimization and professional support. MCN teams help creators refine their content production, providing video editing, copywriting, and other professional services to improve content quality, which in turn boosts monetization potential. Data analytics and audience management. MCNs usually employ data analysis tools to help creators better understand their audience demographics, content performance, and optimize their posting strategies. This can lead to higher commercial value. Stable income. For more established creators, MCNs often offer guaranteed base pay, ensuring a steady income even during low-demand seasons. Key considerations when choosing an MCN. Contract terms. Creators should carefully review contract terms with MCNs, especially regarding revenue sharing and content creation autonomy, to ensure their rights are protected. Resource matching. Choosing an MCN that aligns with your niche is crucial. For instance, an MCN specializing in sectors like parenting or home decor will provide better opportunities for creators focused on these areas. By utilizing the Pagonging platform and partnering with MCNs, creators can diversify their income streams on Xiaohongshu. With the right combination of a strong fan base and quality content, they can secure lucrative opportunities in sectors like beauty, lifestyle, and beyond. Sum up, here are some typical monetization pathways for creators on Xiaohongshu, along with monthly income estimates. Home sector creators, average monthly income ranges from $1,400 to $4,200, with peak earnings during promotional events like Double 11. Parenting sector creators, monthly earnings range from $2,800 to $5,600, with top creators earning over $7,000. Beauty and fashion creators, depending on your fan base, you can expect to make between $700 and $4,200 per month through brand deals and affiliate marketing. By the way, Xiaohongshu is currently one of the few Chinese apps where you can register without needing a phone number. However, future trends may change, so securing an account early is crucial. If you can speak English, you have a significant advantage on Xiaohongshu. English-speaking creators can target a more international audience, especially those interested in global brands and products. Here's an example. Case example, Sarah, a bilingual creator, focused her content on reviewing international beauty and lifestyle products. Her fluency in English allowed her to collaborate with foreign brands that wanted to enter the Chinese market, but needed someone who could bridge the language and cultural gap. By creating product reviews in both English and Chinese, Sarah tapped into a niche of both domestic users wanting international products and overseas brands wanting visibility in China. As a result, she earns nearly double the typical rates for creators in her field, making $6,000 to $10,000 per month from brand partnerships and affiliate sales. Why it works? Brands often pay a premium for creators who can reach diverse audiences across different languages, and speaking English opens up many lucrative collaboration opportunities. All right, that wraps up today's video on Xiaohongshu and how creators can tap into its huge potential, especially in the home and parenting sectors. We've covered everything from the platform's rise to the ways you can make money, whether through brand deals, affiliate marketing, or even leveraging your English skills to stand out. If you're thinking about joining Xiaohongshu or are already a creator, now is the time to take advantage of its growing video and live streaming focus. Remember, securing your account early might be a good idea since trends could change. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on content creation and financial tips. And drop a comment below. Are you already on Xiaohongshu, or are you planning to join soon? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.